sports car for 2025 to 2024 Ford Mustang. The 2024 Ford Mustang has been crowned the best sports car for 2025, continuing its reign as an American automotive icon. With a blend of powerful performance, cutting-edge technology, and a design that pays homage to its storied heritage, the Mustang remains a top choice for driving enthusiasts and muscle car fans alike. Thrilling performance and versatility. The 2024 Ford Mustang offers a range of engines that cater to different performance preferences, making it a versatile choice in the sports car segment. The base model is powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine, delivering an impressive 315 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque, offering a lively driving experience while maintaining good fuel efficiency. However, it's the legendary 5.0-liter V8 in the Mustang GT that truly captures the spirit of the Mustang. This naturally aspirated engine produces 480 horsepower and 415 lb-ft of torque, propelling the GT from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. For those seeking even more power, the Mustang Dark Horse variant pushes the V8's output to 500 horsepower, making it one of the most potent Mustangs ever produced. The Mustang's handling is equally impressive, with a well-balanced chassis, precise steering, and available MagneRide adaptive suspension that ensures a smooth yet controlled ride, whether on the open road or the racetrack. Iconic design and modern interior. The 2024 Mustang's design is a perfect blend of classic and contemporary. It retains the muscular stance and aggressive front fascia that have become synonymous with the Mustang name, while incorporating modern design elements such as LED lighting and aerodynamic enhancements. The fastback silhouette and bold lines emphasize its performance credentials, while the available performance package adds a more aggressive look with larger wheels and a rear spoiler. Inside, the Mustang offers a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and a blend of modern technology and retro-inspired design cues. The 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to tailor their driving experience. The Sync 4 infotainment system, with its 13.2-inch touchscreen, offers seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium piano sound system for an immersive driving experience. Advanced technology and safety. While the Mustang is a performance-focused car, Ford has equipped it with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, making the Mustang as safe as it is fun to drive. Heritage and affordability. The Ford Mustang has long been a symbol of American muscle, and the 2024 model continues that legacy while offering modern enhancements that appeal to today's drivers. Despite its performance capabilities, the Mustang remains relatively affordable, making it accessible to a wide range of enthusiasts. Whether you're a first-time sports car buyer or a seasoned Mustang fan, there's a model to suit your needs and budget. Conclusion. The 2024 Ford Mustang's combination of exhilarating performance, iconic design, and modern technology has earned it the title of Best Sports Car for 2025. As the automotive world continues to evolve, the Mustang remains a beacon of American performance and style, offering a driving experience that is as thrilling as it is timeless. For those who value power, heritage, and pure driving pleasure, the Mustang continues to be the definitive choice.